how to turn off HDR display in the Threads app. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. Today I'm going to show you how you can easily turn off the HDR display in the Threads app. For that, open up your Threads app. Go to your profile on the bottom right corner of the screen. Then go to the two lines on the top right. Now go to Account. There you'll find Media Quality. Tap on it and you can see Disable Display of HDR Media. Just toggle it off. So, HDR media offers greater quality in areas of extreme brightness or darkness. As a result, HDR content will appear brighter than standard content. So, if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.